top headlines for the day.
Well, here is the biopic of the century for who would not want to know more about the already popular MS Dhoni. Yeah, Mahi, as he is known to close ones, is being played by Sushant Singh Rajput, and the trailer would be released by the machine of runs, MS Dhoni himself. Dhoni may release the trailer in Mumbai, Delhi and Jalandhar, and it is yet to be decided. Meanwhile, Sushant, who has been working on the role and also tried to look every bit Dhoni, is excited and waiting for the film's release. He has also done a Dhoni-style haircut, and it is all getting so interesting, hai na? The trailer would be out soon, and the release also going to be the most awaited one. The poster looks interesting with Sushant looking concerned, and with the tagline, "The Untold Story," things are only getting more and more suspense.
अच्छा ये बताइए अभी तक किसी से मिला नहीं हूँ. दैट्स वन ऑफ द थिंग्स. और अगर आप देखें तो
That's amazing.
Om Mani Padme Om.
The sound. It's a healing sound. That's amazing.
Om Mani Padme Om.
The sound. It's a healing sound. That's amazing.
Om Mani Padme Om.
The sound. It's a healing sound.
Salman Khan and Lulia Wandur boarded a flight together for Leh at Mumbai airport. Salman Khan is at Leh and Ladakh to shoot for the film Tube Light with Kabir Khan. And Lulia Wandur too has gone with Salman Khan and is shooting at Leh Ladakh secretly. If you think secretly Lulia is part of Tube Light, then fans, you might just get disappointed, though Juju, a Chinese actress, is looking cute with our Bhaijan. But Lulia is working by shooting a documentary of Leh and Ladakh and its lifestyle of living at mountain far from urban area. Romanian beauty Lulia has gone not just to chill with boyfriend Salman, but rather she is exploring Leh and is filming the beauty of it. And it wouldn't be surprising if Salman shares pictures and videos of Leh like he did of Kashmir during Bajrangi Bhaijaan filming. This can be super for Ladakh tourism, isn't it? Maybe a cameo of Mrs. Khan will be exciting for us.
Katrina, the dream team is going to US. Everyone is really excited. Tell us something more about the performance. Varun said that he would be creating Kuch Kuch Hota Hai from with Alia and Parneeti. What kind of dances can we expect from you guys?
Kala Chashma, guys.
Okay.
Kala Chashma.
And lots more guys, बहुत चीजें old
अरे
songs,
आपने
new
ट्रेलर
songs.
देखा, आपने एक और गाना नहीं देखा उसमें?
हाँ.
नच दे. क्या हो गया यार?
Dream team.
चलो.
They've not reached it.
चलो.
Bite, how's it shaping up, Katrina? Small bite.
Hopefully good, I think so.
Katrina. अरे तू ना चल गाड़ी देख
Every time Sultan and Katrina Kaif come together, their fans go berserk. And they are giving their fans yet another treat by working together for a commercial. Even though they are ex-lovers, they partnered again for a strictly professional reason. But still their bonding left onlookers surprised. They both were happy to come together and had no qualms. Both Salman and Katrina were given a choice to do separate individual ads, but they didn't have any problem working together. It was all very nice of Salman, who took keen interest in Katrina's part and even made suggestions and shared inputs. The comfort between this duo was so chilled out that they surprised everyone with their friendly equation while working together. And that's not all. Looks like Salman has already watched Katrina's Kala Chashma song from Bar Bar Dekho. The actors discussed this while filming for Splash. Kapil Sharma gets married on the sets of Kapil Sharma's comedy show, and isn't that quite something to look forward to? Yes, Kapil would be romancing his wife, who is none other than Jacqueline Fernandez. Yes, the actress who is here on the show for promoting the Flying Jet would humor Kapil and go on a date with Kapil and also go down on her knees to propose. It finally ends with marriage to Kapil. Wow, isn't Kapil waiting for this it moment? Yes, Kapil, as we have all heard so many times, has always loved Jacqueline and loves the time he would get to share with the actress. It is so sporting of her to accept all of Kapil's weird ways to keep the audience entertained and happy, hai na? With so much in town, Kapil's show is only rising on the popularity chart, and we are indeed looking forward to this show where Kapil and Jacqueline would get married. Yes, Salman Khan rules the 300 crore club, and with the success of Sultan, he is surely the Raja of this club, hai na? Aren't we happy to see our Dabang Bhaijan come up with the best always? Salman Khan Sultan has crossed the 300 crore mark, and it is really a great way of endorsing the success, what say? Salman, busy with Tube Light, is next with Kabir Khan in Ladakh, which surely give us more reason to be happy if this too crosses the 300 crore mark. Anyway, with so much happening, things are really in Salman's lap. Sultan, the film with a difference, showed Salman in two shades and really raced through the Janta's minds. Shivai, the film from Ajay Devgan, came out with the trailer 4 days back, and here is the 10 million views on board. Attaboy Ajay. The Shiva touch has lent a lot of interest and attention, and one only has to see it to believe the power that it has spread. There is a lot of airy touch to the entire flick, and the entire setup is really something to watch out for. Shivai is one film that one would love if one is an Ajay Devgan fan and has the best icy locals to its credit. Yes, the film has a lot of story to tell, and thus the trailer gathered its own views, 10 million to be precise. Whoa, that is quite a bit. With Salman's films already crossing the 300 crore mark, we wait to see where Shivai would land, hai na?